Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to pin one of your posts on your Facebook profile within the Facebook app on an iPhone or an Android. So for this, first of all, just open up your Facebook application and then tap on these three bars and select your profile picture. This will bring you to on your profile on Facebook. From here, all we need to do is scroll down and find a post that we want to pin. Once you find the post you want to pin, select the three dots located in the top right corner of the post and then the menu will come up. Simply select Pin Post. Once you do that, it will move the pin to the top of your profile and as you can see it says pin. Now if you want to unpin a post on your Facebook profile, simply tap on these three dots again and you can see the first option, unpin post. Tap on it and now that post will be no longer be pinned on your Facebook profile. So that's it for this video. That's how you can pin a post on Facebook. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.